Welcome to 1401 Woodlark Drive here in Haines City, Florida. This home is located on one of the larger lots in the Highland Meadows community and features an extended driveway that can comfortably fit 4 cars. Not only are there no rear view neighbors, but you also have a clear lot in the front too. This lot over here is periodically used for HOA gatherings for the entire community. Now that we've seen the outside, let's go ahead and take a look inside. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with over 1,700 square feet of living space is less than 5 years old and has been beautifully maintained by its original owner. It's been upgraded with luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main living area. The kitchen features a walk-in pantry and plenty of cabinet space. A highlight of their open floor plan home is the massive kitchen island with granite countertops. This upgrade is perfect for laying out those large food spreads when entertaining. Long day at work? Unwind in the large garden tub in the master suite. The covered back patio is a great place to relax while enjoying the serenity of your fenced backyard. I hope you enjoyed this tour of 1401 Woodlark Drive in Haines City, Florida. If you have any questions about the property or would like to schedule a tour, reach out to me, Amber Kepke, the Home Squad's Princess of Real Estate, brokered by eXp Realty.